These people on the screen right now are not influencers, they're not tech bros, they're regular people. A guy in India who used to be making $100 a month, and a traveler who's living in the Caribbean, and a beginner who never even touched YouTube are now all quitting their jobs because of this new way of doing YouTube. And it's not just beginners either, there's also people who have sold their knowledge, like Paul right here, who've gotten awards for making over $1 million doing so with the new way that I'm teaching. And by the end of this video, you're gonna see some of the real channels that they actually built and how you can potentially do it as well. Now, I do have to give a disclaimer because I am going to be showing some real student results as well as my own results in YouTube. And the disclaimer is that these results are not typical. In fact, most people who do YouTube are going to make absolutely nothing, and you will probably make nothing. And so now that we've gotten rid of everybody looking for just a get-rich-quick scheme, let me show you what's actually working right now and how people are implementing this new real way. In video number 1, I showed you the new way of doing YouTube, kind of an overview of it and how you can get started literally within just 10 or 20 minutes. In video number 2, I shared with you the only niches I recommend doing right now in 2026, the monetization method that 95% of YouTubers overlook. And if you missed any of those first 3 videos, make sure to go back and watch them, because what you're about to see will only make sense if you understand that fundamental system behind it. And what's going to make this video different than so many other case study videos on YouTube is that I'm going to show you multiple people who are succeeding in multiple different niches implementing the same method because it works across multiple different types of channels, multiple different niches, and so forth. Because the system doesn't care who you are. The first case study is Kunal right here. A year and a half ago, he was running his family's business. I believe it was like a travel agency, and he wanted to find a way of making money online. So he tried Amazon FBA. There's so many people selling courses on that, pushing it as the best business model out there. But he got burned, of course, by inventory and returns because nobody ever factors that into it. And then he found my program. And I actually recently sat down with him in person since I happen to be traveling through where he lives. And this is what he said.
All right, so about a year and a half ago, I was doing a lot of different things. I turned to Amazon, and I found after doing about a year of Amazon that it was quite a bit of a headache for me. You had to, find new products, see what sells, keep a lot of inventory, customer complaints, reviews, and returns, and inventory in and out, shipping, and like all this stuff. It was a whole thing, and the profit margin wasn't as amazing. About a year in, I kind of felt that I need to, make a bit of a change.
And so then Kunal decided to switch. He stopped touching physical inventory and he started building digital assets that work for him 24/7.
Success came pretty quick, to be honest. I think my 9th video is what started that off. We're at a point right now where, already in just a year and a half after doing the course online, I can confidently say this is the path to intergenerational wealth. It's unbelievable. One thing that I found with YouTube is obviously when you create a video, it's like having a new product. Every video is kind of like a product. And once you put it on, it's like an endless supply of inventory because it continues selling on its own. So it's always there until you delete the video.
And that's the part that most people don't get. Every video is a digital asset and it works for you, even if you're sleeping, doing anything you want with your time forever. Now, along with giving an amazing testimonial, Kunal mentioned something crazy to me, which even shocked me in my 10 years of doing YouTube, which is that he was making $60+ per 1,000 views and he wasn't selling anything from his channel. So of course I'm helping him change the second part of that, but the first part of it caused me to wonder, how was he making so much money per 1,000 views? And he was making a lot of money. In fact, he was making so much that he didn't even want me saying the exact amount publicly, but it was a lot. And the way he was making so much money per 1,000 views was that the videos he was producing, even though he was in a decent CPM niche, most videos within that niche would make $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. What he did differently was he produced super long videos, which I recommend, but he actually took the recommendation and did it. And this allowed him to put so many different ad breaks throughout the videos that it drove up his CPMs and how much money he was making per 1,000 views. And then he implemented everything I teach with how to go viral on YouTube, and he's getting millions of views per month right now from his channel still. Now, I don't want to show Kunal's exact niche, but I do want to show a similar one and show kind of an overview of exactly how this could work and how you can generate videos that are that long without having to spend way too much money. And so again, this is not Kunal's niche, but it's somewhat similar. If you search up wonders of space, you can see there's all these videos talking about about different crazy facts about space. And some of these are like an hour long, like this one right here. And if you go and watch any of these videos, it's like a combination of animations along with stock footage, all put together into a single video. Now, usually you would have to pay someone so much money to make videos like this. And I found this channel right here called Fexel, which is getting millions of views per month. And their most popular videos are talking about landing on specific planets. Like, this is what Venus really looks like. No CGI, no filters. And if you watch this video, yes, they do show the actual images from Venus that were taken on it by the probe that landed. But the rest of the video, as they're explaining the mission and everything, they use a variety of different clips, such as stock media clips, such as AI generated clips, and so forth, all put together into this. And AI can actually do a lot of this for us. So just like the rest of the videos in this video series, this video is sponsored by Higgsfield. It's an amazing tool. Honestly, the best AI tool that encompasses all of the models all into one single tool. And if you wanted to make super ultra long videos with Higgsfield, what I would recommend doing is using their supercomputer, which we've talked about in some previous videos right here. And let's say we were recreating this video about what Venus really looks like, and we're going to show some real images of Venus. Then what we would do is we'd go to Google Images, find the image that we want to use right here, copy that, go to the Higgsfield supercomputer, paste it in right there. And then we're going to say, make a 30-second intro for a video titled, and we'll drop in the title right there, this is what Venus really looks like, and make it super engaging with multiple different cuts, not showing one video or picture for more than 3 seconds, and add animated, super engaging, realistic 3D animations to this as well that demonstrate what is actually going on here, what is being talked about. Make sure to use an amazing hook to keep people watching throughout the entire video. Remember, this is just the intro, but the full video will be 30 minutes long. And this is going to use Claude then to write the script. Of course, you can also use my tool TubeMagic if you want an even better script and then upload that to Higgsfield. But this is amazing because it's an all-in-one thing. So then we're going to click enter to run this. And I forgot to mention that this is an actual picture of Venus's surface. So I'm going to say also include the real image of Venus that is attached in the first message as well. And then we will enter that right there. And we'll actually go ahead and send that right now just so we can interrupt what it's doing to make sure that it uses this real image as well. And I'm also going to make sure to say, and also have a voiceover on it. We can always replace the voiceover later, but I will add this here. And now we've got this generating and it's putting together all the clips, and it'll do all of this completely for us in the background while we can do whatever we want. And you might be saying, Matt, that's great, but that's just a 30-second clip. How are you going to make the multiple hour-long videos like Kunal does, and he's getting incredible results, getting millions of views per month? Well, the most important part of your video is your intro. So that is what we're going to use Higgsfield to generate. And you can also even have it generate the first 5 minutes, 10 minutes of the video, and so forth. And if you have the budget, you can feel free to have it make multiple hour-long videos. But my pro tip for that is to make sure to tell Higgsfield to only use cheaper models. And you can chat with it and make sure that it's using cheaper models to do everything you're looking for it to do. But another pro tip of what you can do is you can find stock footage online, like a lot of those channels that I showed you are doing, and then put it together into a video. But the problem is that that takes a lot of manual work and a lot of time. And that's actually why I created this software called vid.ai, which makes videos up to 20 minutes long that are like all of these channels right here that are getting incredible results. You can generate videos identical to all of these super successful channels. Now, 20 minutes still isn't multiple hours. So what you would do here is you would break up the video into multiple sections and then generate each one individually, use the intro that you generated from Higgsfield, and then put the multiple different vid.ai videos after that to make one of these super long videos. And then if you wanted to have an AI character who's the host of your channel, which I recommend doing, you can have that character pop up at multiple different times throughout the video by using Higgsfield and then overlaying the Higgsfield clips on top of the VidAI ones. And so we have this video generating right now, and we're going to come back to that, and I'm going to show you exactly what it made in just a second. But first of all, let's get into our next case study, which is David. Now, David was living in the Caribbean. He tried to do YouTube on his own, but he got bored, he gave up, he didn't have accountability, and then he came back, and one video changed everything for him. Listen to this.
Kind of went from not really knowing what I was doing and doing videos, just generic travel stuff, to actually going, oh, actually, I know, having watched your core stuff on the niches and niche selection and the content side of it, kind of really helped me go. One video did blow up, and kind of that helped me go from like 200 subs to, I think I'm on about 11,200 at the moment. So, and that's only in the space of a couple of months. One day I had, I think, 130,000 views in one day at one point on that video. Even now that video is still slow ticking over sort of 100-ish views an hour sometimes.
And so that's just one video that's still earning for him right now, every single day, months later. And that's the power of evergreen content that can keep getting views for years into the future. I still get paid from videos that I uploaded when I was 14. So this is why I want to upload so many videos across so many different channels, because they're basically digital assets that are going to continue to provide for me for years and years into the future. And then I can use those to train AIs to make even better videos and so forth. So even when AI gets better, it only helps me. Now, David is running a channel in travel, but he's doing something different than what 99% of travel channels do, with a strategy that our team put together for him. So we're doing a really unique way of doing a travel channel that's absolutely crushing. And you can use the Higgsfield supercomputer to generate videos exactly like David is putting up on his channel, like that one that recently went super viral for him. Now, these videos look like they're coming along really good. As you can see, Higgsfield is just working in the background as we're doing this, and then it'll compile all these together into a video, and this is really cool. I can't wait to see this. But first, we'll go over the third case study, which is actually my own channel. So as you can see, this channel that you're watching right now, Make Money Matt, this is my personal channel. These tactics work no matter what type of channel you run. I've been running faceless channels for years and years, and I took the same strategies that made those channels go viral. I grew a personal channel, grew a huge personal brand. This sells millions and millions of dollars worth of programs and software and everything else, and it's its own business now. And if you wanted to do that, you certainly can do that as well. But I'm also making new faceless channels also doing this new method, such as my new channel called Stickman Matt, which is getting 50,000 views a month. It's making way more than a full-time income already. And I showed how to generate those Stickman Matt type videos in the first video in this series. Also, we have Musa right here, who made over $350,000 in a day by implementing a specific video series strategy that I taught him. He did already have a pretty big channel when he did this, but it goes to show no matter which type of channel that you're running, if you have a big one, if you don't, this works amazing. Reynold here from India was only making around $100 a month, and now he's making almost $100 every other day. And he said YouTube changed his life. He can now afford his wedding, which is honestly incredible. You think about these numbers, like, what they mean and everything. Like, this is the difference between someone able to pay for their wedding, have free time, have time to spend with their kids and their family. It's really good to think about the why as to, why we want to do these things, because that can give us the motivation to actually take action and do this. Kanish right here made $4,023 in his first month of monetization on one of his channels. Casper produced one video for only around $50. That made him $1,500 in just the first 20 days. And a different David right here makes over $100,000 a year from a channel that only gets a couple thousand views per video, because he's monetizing it correctly as I show. Paul right here grew his personal channel also using these tactics, and he got an award for making over $1 million. Matt right here made over $900 in a day, and he hasn't even hit YouTube's monetization threshold. And even though I have thousands of different results from different students, I do need to give the disclaimer anytime I show any of these, that these are top performers. These people worked hard to do this. All credit goes to them. I just showed them the system and what to do, but they took it and they ran with it. Not everybody gets these results, and most people won't, but my point is that they're possible. And now I know what you might be thinking, okay, Matt, this is great and all, but does this only just work in a couple of niches? And I get this question a ton, and the answer is that it works in more niches than you probably think. In fact, here are some of the channels that we've been able to help, such as this channel in the music niche that got 2.6 million views on a single video. This channel in the looks maxing niche and men's self-improvement, which got 335,000 views in 1 month on one video. And this channel in the travel niche, which got 1.4 million views on a video about countries that give free passports. And all of these are completely faceless channels where nobody's on camera. However, as we discussed, these tactics work for every single type of channel. Now you might be wondering, how did all of these people pull this off and manage to do this? Well, every single one of these people went through the process that I teach within my upcoming program, Tube Accelerator 2.0. I spent the last few months completely rebuilding it for 2026 with updated strategies given the current state of everything right now, and it's going to be launching in just 2 days. Imagine being able to watch over my shoulder as I show exactly how to do all of this step by step and get access to me personally, as well as the people who've been helping me run my channels for almost the past decade, and get access to all of my different AI tools so you can do this as well. And I did another student interview recently with our student Flora from Hungary, and this is what she said about the program.
I don't want to go back to a 9 to 5 job, to a corporate system. I think of this like this is my card to get out of this. I got accepted to this Tube Accelerator. I'm a complete beginner. I don't have experience running a YouTube channel yet. We discussed a step-by-step roadmap. It's so supportive, motivational.
It's great to have a community of people, you know, that are all going towards one thing.
This program is very unique on the market. You learn practical skills, like content strategy, automation, workflows, video editing. There is a very strong support network, mentors, coaches who have already built successful systems.
Huge thanks to Flora for saying that. We really do try to go above and beyond, giving the absolute most amount of value. And now before we go over how you can get access to Tube Accelerator 2.0, our space intro that we made with the Higgs field supercomputer has finished. So let's take a look at it right here.
What if I told you there's a world out there that makes hell look mild?
Wow.
Meet Venus, your neighbor, and the most hostile place in the solar system.
This is the actual surface of Venus. No one alive has ever stood here, and no probe survived longer than 2 hours. The clouds look almost beautiful from space, but they are made. The clouds look almost beautiful.
That's amazing. And if you wanted to have a voiceover that's consistent throughout that whole video, then you can simply tell Higgs field to do that, or you can generate one with 11 labs and then put it into there, or use your own voiceover as well. So Higgs field is an absolute game changer. The fact they have all of the models all in one, and now you can generate full complete YouTube videos without having to download anything. It's amazing. And if you want to get access to Higgs field, simply check out the link down in the description below. They gave a really good deal for everybody here. And if you want to join my program, Tube Accelerator 2.0, it will be launching in 2 days. But if you want to get access tomorrow, a day before the public, then feel free to click the link down below this video and sign up for the waitlist, and you'll get access 24 hours before the public, and you will secure your spot in there. We can only let so many people in right now, and we'll be closing it at the end of the month. It is genuinely the best thing that I've ever built, and so if you're serious about this, feel free to get on that waitlist right now. And in the last video in this series, I'll walk you through exactly what is included in Tube Accelerator 2.0, how it's different than anything that you've seen before, and the specific steps on exactly how you can get a spot when the doors open. If the next video's out, check it out next to me right here. If it's not, it will be very soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. My name is Matt Parr, and I'll see you there.